Innovation is a whole lot of fun. Developing new instruments, new technologies, it's something that's always changing.
Very often innovation happens on the border of disciplines.
The most critical part of any invention is not how good the idea is, how good you bring that idea to market.
Green Power Labs has been involved in many projects related to solar power management. We require utilities to become greener, to integrate more and more solar and wind, and utilities have challenge with that. Because power sources like wind and solar are unpredictable and they have lots of uncertainty. With solar, you would see clouds in the sky, and you have to be able to know what the impact will these clouds make. The solar power forecasting service is delivered online 24/7. It's available to our clients anywhere in the world at any time. I am very proud to say that we have a perfect team at Green Power Labs, and that actually was the reason we were able to bridge the gap between the fundamental science and a commercialized service.
We do digital inline holographic microscopy. It's a technology platform developed at Dalhousie University. We're developing a series of instruments to bring to market.
This is our prototype for flow cytometer to image particles that may be suspended in a liquid, which could be algae or bacteria. So you have a pinhole, just the light source and the screen, no lenses. And you get this incredible ability to image fairly large volumes, so cubic centimeters, with sub-micron resolution.
This is the desktop digital inline holographic microscope. It consists of a digital camera, 405 nanometer laser point source, and with that we can take holographic images. For instance, we have a slice of a fruit fly head on our sample here, and this is the hologram, and that's the reconstruction of the hologram, and you can see the 2 micron hairs on the fly head. It's the 3D analysis capabilities of the technology in real time that makes them special, makes them better than anything else that's out there right now.
For all the things that I do, I want to make sure that it will impact patients. As long as it helps people, that's all I care. A good example is called light wand intubation technique. It is essentially developed by Dr. Ron Stewart and myself, together with another friend called Jeff Garth. About 5% of the population, it is somewhat difficult to put the breathing tube in the trachea just because of an anatomical difference. So this is a very different technique using transillumination. You don't need to visualize from the inside. You can look from the globe, from the outside. It makes it a lot easier. It's used a lot in Canada and the rest of the world as well. It is not uncommon that when we use intravenous, it runs dry. We come up with this device called flow check. So as soon as the IV runs dry to the bottom, last drop, it will give you a trigger alarm and also pinch the tubing to prevent injection of air into the system. Although it is challenging for clinicians like me to bring something to the market, but I have to say that it's a lot of fun. I always enjoy that.